How to add a custom transition effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project with the clips on the timeline where you want to add the transition. Next, open the effects library by clicking on effects at the top left corner of the interface. Then, go to the video transition section to see the default transition available. If you want to use a custom transition you downloaded or created, you need to add it first. To do that, locate the transition file and double-click on the .drfx file. DaVinci Resolve will automatically detect it and prompt you with an install window. Click on install and it will add the transition to the correct location inside Resolve. Once imported, the custom transition will appear inside the BT transition list. Now, simply drag and drop it between the two clips on your timeline where you want the effect to appear. After placing the transition, you can adjust its duration by dragging its edges in the timeline. For more control, select the transition and open the inspector panel on the right. Here you can tweak settings like timing, direction, or other effect-specific option. Finally, play back your timeline to see how the custom transition looks. If necessary, go back and adjust the settings until it matches your vision perfectly. And that's it. Now you know how to add a custom transition effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.